In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a window capture using OBS Studio so you can easily share specific applications or tabs during your live streams or recordings. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open up OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't downloaded or installed it yet, make sure you do so from the official website to ensure you get the most current and secure version. Once it's open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see different panels and sections like scenes, sources, and the audio mixer. OBS Studio can look a bit daunting at first because of its comprehensive range of features, but don't worry, we'll dive into it step by step. Next, direct your attention to the Sources panel. This is where you manage different types of input for your scene, whether it's video, images, or text. We're going to add a new source, so move your cursor over the panel and look for the small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus icon, which indicates you want to add something new. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with multiple options. Scroll through the list until you find Window Capture. This feature will allow you to specify which window or application you want to share. Once you click on Window Capture, a dialog box will pop up prompting you to name your source. This step is crucial if you plan to manage multiple sources within a single project, as it helps keep everything organized. After you've entered a name that makes sense to you, perhaps something specific to the window you'll be capturing, click on the OK button to proceed. Now you'll be presented with another window where you can select from the list of open applications currently running on your computer. Carefully scan through the options and select the window you wish to capture for your stream or recording. If your desired window doesn't appear immediately, double-check that it's open and running in the background. Once you spot it, click on it. At this point, you have the option to tweak various settings to tailor your capture perfectly to your needs. You can adjust the capture area to include only specific parts of the window or add any customization filters that OBS Studio offers. Feel free to explore these settings if you're feeling adventurous, although for a straightforward window capture, default settings should suffice. Finally, complete the process by clicking OK and voila, you've successfully set up a window capture. With this done, your chosen window or application is now part of your scene, ready to be broadcasted to your audience. Remember, if you ever need to adjust or change what's being captured, you can revisit the Sources panel and tweak your settings accordingly. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and happy streaming.